Scene one, take one, Mark.
We had 19% increase in leasing activity over a 6-week period, which is huge in multifamily. My name is Christopher Bland. I'm on the asset management team for Crescent Communities. We are a real estate development company. We have a combination of traditional multifamily, build-to-rent communities, office, and industrial real estate. As the economy kind of turns down, we are dealing with a lot of renters by choice. We're competing with people who are buying homes. There's a lot more competition in these markets. The tour is everything. It's your first impression on a community. The tour is how you attract a resident. We did mystery shopping. The problem with mystery shopping, it usually takes a few months, and then the rubric is not catered to what you're looking for.
We're speaking to sometimes over 20 people a day. It may be super difficult to retain some of that information.
Rilla is a AI coaching platform to really help support our leasing agents when they're on site giving these tours with new prospects. A big advantage of us using Rilla is you can actually go in and listen to the whole conversation and put in specific feedback that you want for the leasing agents. We actually were able to put in our brand camp programming into the platform prior. So with the AI coaching tool, we can go in and suggest responses on how to do better.
We start using Rilla almost immediately. Once that tour is coming in, then we're able to get on our iPads once we start speaking to the prospect. And we try to use it directly when we meet them to really capture the full tour experience.
All of the tour notes are automatically summarized based on the format of what we want to see in each of the tours. And that populates into our CRM reports. Everybody on our asset management team is doing ride-alongs in Rilla. We're having agents that are getting upwards of 35 to 44% close rates after we've onboarded Rilla, which has been huge. Rilla is extremely customizable. The feedback that you're getting from the AI responses is built based on the way that you want to train your leasing agents. A huge surprise with using Rilla for us was the boost to morale that it was going to give. We thought that there was going to be a little bit of pushback either from prospects or from the agents on tour, but we actually experienced the opposite effect. They no longer have to take their touring notes, and that eases some of the administrative function of the job, which is definitely the most tedious and annoying. Our teams embraced it. We felt very comfortable to roll it out portfolio-wide.
Would I recommend Rilla? 100%. It makes teaching yourself and coaching on how to be better super easy.
Out of the 7 pilot communities, 5 of them had pretty significant leasing improvements. Partnering with Rilla was absolutely the right decision for our team. We're in the process of launching it portfolio-wide after how much success we saw with the 7 pilot communities, and I can't wait to see where we're at from a year from now.